I'm bringing you to a Clash of Clans video. And today I'm gonna be showing you a weird attack. So I'm just poor. I'm fucking full, guys. I'm poor. Sorry, I cannot buy those tops like these. I don't know. I don't know, guys. The things that they want to buy me, like super magical chest and this bomb tower and the thing. Oh, level 2, guys. And 4 million gold. That would be awesome if I got a lot of subscribers. You know, today, I'm gonna be showing you a attack. Weird attack, guys. This attack. So this attack was yesterday, and this one's from the last day. So fucking, it's got a lot of weird things. So if you want to join my clan, join here. We'll make this clan super nice, guys. And I know if you don't want to subscribe, well, at least please leave a like my video, and please comment if it is blank or check. Okay, guys, so now let's go and attack. Gonna find a match, not in the Mega Mansion. I'm gonna need to find like 500 or 200 or 300, because I don't really care. Oh, I think I blew ace poison spell. Oh, that's awkward, so that's okay. Whoa, guys, so lots. Oh, just joking. I need like 300k, because this is one of a lifetime deck, guys. One of a lifetime deck. Whoa, bomb. Yes, guys, we can attack this base. Now, where's much of this? Oh, I found it. Well, it's right on this spot with the Dark Galaxy one. And let's just see one. Yeah, let's go. Just get those out. Oh, guys, I don't know how to play. Put a rage. Oh no! Fail rage, guys. It's a fail, guys. So please subscribe and leave a like. Check the finish out. You don't even need to watch it. Whoa! I think we can still beat this, guys. Let's still beat this one. Still got a lot. Let's just get this calculation and watch. Please get me some electricity, guys. Please get me some. You almost started that. I need deck. I mean this base. Almost. Yes, the wizard. The one and only. Oh fuck. We intended to go, but I wanted him today. That's awkward. We're just gonna wait and then let's pop up to special B. Special A. Special A. And 1, 2, 3. Special A. Woo! Special A. Fucking special A, guys. Yeah, kill it. Kill it, boys. Oh. Damn, wizard. Damn. Still got 50,000. And 10,000 loot bonus. So, we're trying to rebuild this base, guys. And, let's just say hi to YouTube. And just say hi to YouTube. I'm a Filipino, guys. First time admitting it. I'm a Filipino. So I'm just gonna train some troops. And tomorrow, I'm gonna do a all giants deck. I mean not deck. Troops and what's this? So it's like that. Put trindles on me. That you using, bro. Okay, let's train. Oh, there's so many. Yes, quick train. I'm gonna donate to 1 giant. And I'm just gonna say, please subscribe to my channel. Name Thunder Phoenix 2.0. Oh, I mean 2.0. So guys, just join here. What? It's just Swedish. Ayah. Ha. Join here. I'm gonna say join here. It's a YouTuber clan. What do you want? What do you want? Why don't you want to join my clan? You want to go to other clans? That's much stronger. Oh, join here. I'm level up. I don't know. I'm level up. Oh, I don't care if this. Oh, makes this. Oh, it's a BAM tower. That's okay. I said that we were gonna rebuild a new base. And I said last days that what is that? We're gonna do a Oh, giant attack. Say ha. So guys, later on I'm gonna end this video because it's almost 15 minutes. So if you want to join, it's okay. Jared the Kings doesn't want. So if he doesn't want, Leonardo, come here. Here. Molt. I'm just gonna troll them. I'm just gonna say Molt will come. I'm not Molt. Like General Tony. Tony will visit my clan and give us troops. And guys, sorry to be inactive for like 2 weeks because I'm studying hard for my exam. So I just ran out of my house, going to my Lola's place so I can play COC and make videos. Hey, it's true. I'm a YouTuber. Visit my channel. Visit my channel called Thunder Phoenix 2.0. Need members for war. Those are active in war. Let's see this player playing. What? So if he doesn't want, that's okay. I still got you guys. And once, so I know guys that you're not gonna subscribe later on in 200 subscribers. I will not get any 200 subscribers. I'm just gonna do a face reveal if I reach 20 subscribers. Is that fair, guys? Is that fair? Okay, it's fair. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a like and comment below on if you like to join my clan, and please subscribe and leave a like. Thunder Phoenix out.